Hi, Coyotes. We've made it to the end of the week. I hope that you are having a good morning and you're ready to start learning some math. So, today we're going to do review, and we're just going to take a look back at some things that we've learned and talked about this week. So, one thing that we have learned about earlier in the week is sorting. And earlier we sorted all of my kids, my paper people. We sorted them by kids that had on shorts and kids that had no shorts. Well, today I want to see if we can sort my kids a different way. And I would like to see if we can sort my kids by hair color, what color their hair is. So I made 3 categories up here: black hair, blonde hair like me, or brown hair. And we're going to take a look and we're going to see if we can sort our kids. Can you help me with that? All right, so I'm going to show you up close so that you can help me decide where they need to go. All right, here's my first guy. He has black hair, so he's going to go right there. All right, ready for the next one? She's blonde. Her right there. Okay, the next one. In a ponytail, she has a pretty pink bow in her hair, and she has black hair. So let's put her down here. All right, let's keep going. What do you think? This guy has brown hair, so we're gonna put him right here. All right, next one. There's another with brown hair. Let's put her right there. The next one is blonde, so we're going to move him right there. And then the next one, another girl with blonde hair. Let's move her right here. All right, let's see what's next. Brown hair, so let's put her right there. What's the next one? He has black hair. Let's put him over here. 2 more. What color? Black hair. Last one. Pretty brown curls. So we're going to put her right there. All right, so take a look at my data. Take a look at my information, and what do you notice? We know we did some sorting by kids that have black hair, blonde hair, and brown hair. How many kids have black hair? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kids have black hair. Let's write the number 4 right there. That'll help us remember. How about here with blonde hair? How many kids have blonde hair? I'm going to give you a second to count. What did you get? 3? There's 3 kids with blonde hair. Let's write that number there. All right, brown is next. I'm going to let you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many have brown hair? 4. So we're going to write that number there. Now, what do you notice about my data? What do you notice about this information? Which color hair is the most? Well, this one is 4. I know 4 is more than 3, but then brown is also 4. So what could that mean? If there's 4 kids with black hair and 4 kids with brown hair, what could that mean? They're the same. So there's 4 kids with black hair, 4 kids with brown hair. Those numbers are the same. And the least amount is blonde-headed kids, and those are just 3. Do you think we could find out how many kids there are in all? Let's find out how many kids were sorted today. Let's count them all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 kids that were sorted today, and we sorted kids with black hair, kids with blonde hair, and kids with brown hair. All right, so we're going to move a little away from sorting. I'm going to turn you back around here. And we're going to review the counting jar today. So I've got another mystery number in our counting jar. We're going to find out how many there are. And then we're going to make an equivalent set. Remember, a set that's the same. Equal means the same. And then we are going to see if we can show it on paper too. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's dump them out here. Dump them out everywhere. All right, here we go. One, remember, I'm kind of organizing them so that they're not just all scattered everywhere. They're easier to go back and recount. So I'm trying to organize a little bit. Okay. All right, we ready to count? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 tiles in my counting jar today. How could we represent that number on paper? So earlier in the week I was showing you my big counting jar on my easel. Today let's see if we can just make it on here. How can I show that there are 7 tiles in my counting jar? Let's draw a picture. I'm going to give you a second to draw a picture, and then we'll compare your picture to mine, okay? So you be thinking about it. If you don't do it right now, at least be thinking about what you're going to do. All right, let's see if we represented 7. Take a look. So here in my counting jar, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I represented the number 7 in my counting jar, and I'll just do circles. Remember, I said that's easy for me. It's quick and snappy. It's efficient, gets the job done, and that's what I'm looking for. So I showed you that there's 7 in my counting jar. Now, we've counted 7 out of my jar when we dump them out. We represented the number. Let's make the number 7 too. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. So there, we're going to show you the number 7. And then let's see if we can build it with our tower too. All right, can you help me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have showed you the number 7 in 3 ways. We counted the tiles in my counting jar. We represented it with a picture in my counting jar. We wrote the number. And we also built a tower of 7. So that's another way that you can represent that. We'll continue to do lots of sorting, talk about the number jar, today's questions, all of those things as the year progresses. And so this is just one of the first few times that you'll be introduced. Oh, I broke my cubes. One of the first few times you'll be introduced to those, but we'll talk about them a lot more as the year goes on. But I hope that you've had a great week. I hope that you've learned a lot. And I hope you get to rest this weekend, get to play outside, and I'll see you again on Monday. See you later.